One day seminar during this regional children's science exhibition of mathematics and environmental science. First of all, without delaying, we will do the felicitation program. First of all, I would like to request Madam Devi to felicite our guests with traditional shawl. First of all.
Respected professors from the Government College, Kolkata, Principal Chatna, and colleagues and staff of Nigeria, the Scott teachers who came from various part of Northeast, and also the Navodaya talents from almost 80 states or 80 posters. And happy welcome to you. And this is a great occasion that we are meeting together after a long gap of 2.5 years. Due to the COVID situation, a lot of sufferings, hardships happen to the academic institutions in the country, especially the schools. They are seriously affected. Whereas in higher education institutions, the online classes were on regular features. Now we also came to that track. And Navodaya is far ahead when compared to other schools in organizing the online classes. And I still remember when the COVID situation started, I was in Pune. And we had 2-3 streets over there. And some of the children, like the Northeast, they were coming from far off areas. And they were having the serious problem of connectivity. And we tried our level best. And even through various institutions of ETC, then volunteers, alumni, hundreds and thousands of devices including tabs, mobile phones, laptops were distributed by the volunteers to the children. Still there were problems. Some of the children they could not attend, and even suicides were than that. Because connectivity is a dim distant dream in some of the areas. After my joining, I took it as a serious mission. I had given, I think, 15 Mbps ILL connection, that is internet leased connection through satellite to around 62 schools. So minimum 15 Mbps. And there are schools with more than that. And we could not depend upon BSNL where the fluctuation is too much. Facility is not there, therefore, and we contacted the private service providers and started it. And because of the many of our children got it in the school, but at the same time, the same problem, they are in the remotest corners of Northeast, maybe Mizoram, Nagaland, and still 2-3 schools are there, and we are not able to give any type of connection. And there we spend a lot of money, annually I think around 6.5 lakh for this DSAT connectivity. That is also even only 512 kbps. You can just imagine. Other schools are having, some of these schools are having 100 Mbps. When compared to that one, it is only half Mbps. But is keeping the grasses alive. And one more thing, very interesting, many peacocks.
Then the people will be, getting relief from that because you have a, stronger network, faster network, reliable network. But whether that network will damage to our society, that we have also have to think. That is cost minimization and also the balance, check and balance of the environment. That is very important. So we cannot go for anything which is accessible to us, but what the damage it is. So damage minimization technique we also have to keep in our mind. Okay, so these are the very salient features of, and you see